Do you miss the magic of a true fall season? The crunch of golden leaves underfoot? The brilliant reds, golds, and oranges that once lit up your childhood yard? This fall, TN Nursery is bringing that beauty back, one tree at a time. Welcome to TN Nursery YouTube channel, where generations of expert growers help you build the landscape of your dreams with fast shipping, native trees, and pro planting tips. Today's episode is all about rekindling your love for fall. In love with autumn again, TN Nursery trees that steal the season. We're spotlighting the top 3 autumn showstoppers, trees bursting with bold color and seasonal charm, all available now for fall pre-order. First up, the red maple tree. A true fall showstopper, the red maple ignites the landscape with brilliant shades of fiery red, orange, and deep burgundy. It's often one of the earliest trees to change color, bringing that unmistakable autumn magic ahead of the season. This fast-growing native thrives in a wide range of soils, from moist to slightly dry, and it adapts well to urban and rural settings alike. With its symmetrical shape and vibrant leaves, the red maple is perfect for those looking to create a bold, iconic fall backdrop in their yard. Next, the sourwood tree, a true southern gem. Its cascading white blooms in summer give way to deep crimson-red foliage in the fall. Plant it in a sunny spot and well-drained soil, and by October, it will become the highlight of your yard. Bonus: it attracts bees and pollinators in summer and adds vertical elegance with its graceful shape. And finally, let's spotlight the majestic sugar maple tree, a true icon of autumn beauty. Celebrated for its radiant hues of gold, orange, and scarlet, the sugar maple transforms any landscape into a glowing fall masterpiece. Beyond its stunning looks, it's a hardy, long-lived tree that provides excellent shade and requires minimal upkeep, making it a favorite among homeowners seeking both beauty and reliability in their yard. So if you're wondering what trees to plant this season for maximum fall color, the red maple tree, sourwood, and sugar maple tree are your best bets. Available now at TN Nursery with buy one, get one free on all fall pre-orders. Visit tnnursery.net to browse our full fall color collection. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TN Nursery YouTube channel for more expert tree guides, seasonal planting tips, and exclusive nursery updates. Plant beauty, grow legacy, fall in love with autumn again with TN Nursery.